I'll just send you a few videos. I know you're not that serious about it, but it's one of those places it's nice to drive because everything's spread out. Lanes are usually wide and whatever. But some RVs there. It's also like, you know, a part of America. So it's just a lot of the same like chain stores and all that. But you know, I guess this town's probably a little more on the equipment side of things. Like, you know, you see a lot more car places, truck places than other stores, perhaps. Well, not more than other stores, but more than other places. But yeah, some of it's just kind of ugly. I don't know if you can see way up there. There's they're putting in these new like big condo buildings, these big old blocks. I guess I should put my window up, but my AC doesn't work, and it's actually warm here. But yeah, it's not like an ugly place. It's just there's nothing that really speaks to me in the city. You probably can't see that way down there, but the houses are just kind of like, I don't know, boxy, like just plain siding, kind of grayish. I mean, a lot of like blues and browns and gray and stuff like that seems pretty common for this area. So this highway is 29. It's one of the main ones. The main downtown's south there and west, but this kind of cuts through part of the town.
Turn left onto the ramp.
A little bit of hay down there, unfortunately. Also some corn. I don't know, I just hate cities, so it's like tough for me to even like a somewhat urban spot. So yeah, there's a RV seller there. I guess I can put it in my windows for a second. Nice and big. You don't have to really deal with traffic, but that's, I mean, anywhere compared to where you're at, traffic is going to feel amazing. So you probably can't see too well, but over that way, there's kind of the beginning of the actual city. About 3 or 4 miles, and that'll probably be just back to the country road. So yeah, right now I'm not all the way north out of it, but just a little bit, so it's not really a large place in that sense. It's like they're putting up a big stadium there or something. Some car places. A lot of things are being built here. That's you know why I'm out here so often. Just delivering a roofing insulation. It's not always new buildings, so it's nice. It's just redoing old roofs. Another car place. I don't know if you'll be able to see the city from the road here, but I'm hoping. That's University, Southeast Technical College. It's a pretty nice overpass for foot traffic. Madison Street, that probably goes straight downtown. There's a gravel yard back that way, gravel quarry. I don't know if it's a quarry, but it's definitely at least processing yard. Looks like a quarry though. So yeah, there's definitely a mix of kind of country stuff and city stuff for sure. But yeah, you know, it's not hateful. I kind of like the grass and everything. It's tough to like anywhere that's a city. But yeah, I do appreciate the grass isn't all the way burnt. I mean, you go down to the south a state or two, and it's just too hot, and the sun kills everything. Okay, yes, it's downtown. So if we were to get off right now, this would head us to downtown. You can see some trailers there, living trailers, mobile homes, factory. There's another car place down that way. Yeah, kind of gives you an idea. Just a little bit of sprawl. Have a new building there. It'll be a while before that gets a roof. Those are prepared homes or something. Here's a residential property. Well, it looks like I should be commercial. About 2 more miles and that would be it. I mean, there's some kind of like smaller little places, but there aren't Sioux Falls. Nothing doing down there. Some train work, I guess. Looks like they're also spraying stuff. That's it, what I mean. It's, you know, American town. Those shopping malls over there is the backside. We have some hotels this way, Hampton Inn. So I think if you were to go off here, you'd still catch the city. So I guess it's a little bit wider than I was thinking. It's 229s and 2 miles, and that's the bottom loop of the city. Yeah, this is kind of what I mean. They have like a lot of just kind of like, they're not ugly, just they're not like totally ugly, but they're not exactly charming either. It's these types of apartment condos things. But yeah, I don't know. I don't like condos, so what can I say? I guess they're not that bad. Definitely. It's going to be more condos there. Yeah, you see what I mean about the color scheme? It's just kind of like burgundy and grays, and those are some brick finishes, but the rest is like a dark tan and blues. It seems to be pretty universal for the town. I don't know if they have a color code or if that's just what it is. You know, that's just what people do here. It's Samaritan Hospital. Well, that's about it. Yeah, a lot of construction going on. That's for sure. City bank building there. Right. Some corporate headquarters or call center or something. Probably not a call center. They probably outsource that. There's a little kind of edge of town community. Yeah, so 229, that. And then that's pretty much it. There's a little bit of stuff going on way over there in the distance. Then you're kind of just back to South Dakota, the land. I mean, it's still more built up here than it is like 100 miles west or something. If you're out there, you be able to see anything and forget about having light poles and whatever. Yeah, I guess that's probably as informative as this is going to be. See if I can stay on the road. Alright, well, maybe it'll help.